Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Now you just click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the home screen, and you can find the first button, the settings. Tap that. And in the settings section, you can find the appearance section, and you can find the dark theme. And if you want to use this option, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned blue, you can see you can use the dark theme. If you want to use the light, click that circle again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.